I think bengi the first granddaughter or first vele bengimntuli wokuqala, so wathi more blessings are gonna come. Yeah, so
okay.
Satota le.
Yeah, no, uzovule tibusile.
Ngiyeka ngoba vele nginawo balamani baningi vele ba
After work.
Yeah, after mina, and then ngavula umnyango ke bayeta ke obelo omncane auntie, so yeah.
Nah. Oh, shout out. No, siyabona. And then what kubuhlungu somkhulu to my siblings akho, ne? Because you need to lead by example. So many things because ufuna ubangimake lesinye isikhathi kulabanye bakhona.
It's a topic for another day. Because when it comes to this, I have to be honest based on my exposure and experience.
Yeah, ne?
It requires you to live by example. At the same time, we are going to I expect a lot from you, especially Batali, as I said, which can be a topic for another day because Batali Nabastala, Kulisa, they've got their own expectations, as including beliefs in their religion.
Yeah.
I'm the only one who's born again.
Really?
So yes, I'm the only one. Like bang, my father disowned me because why wanna as a disgrace? Which hence I'm saying, if you wanna engage kuloko vele itoba deep. So
no, one day if we see the kulma, I think ingancedza lomunye mundu. Yeah, I think namhle ngokudumile ngaye yabo. Yeah. So as you're saying, you are born again. To a person who doesn't know what's a born again.
A born again. A born again is someone who chose to follow Christ.
Okay.
Yeah, like obviously sonke la suka khona. It's undisputed ukuthi vele besibelivela tuwe madlodi, like I see issue yokuthi ngizothi mina madloda awekho fine besibelivela kuwo satalwa kuloko, but as through learning and exposure, as I said, you end up angisina umuntu uyakubona ukuthi lokhu uhambe ufunze ukuthi loku akungisebenteli or loku does not make sense, without offending anybody. But for me, I just felt like no man, this thing does not make sense. Like for me, let me just try to follow something le aligner nami. So that's when I became a born again.
So mina angiyayiva angimuva kahle ukuthi yini born again straight.
Born again, it's someone that when you become a born again, udalwa kabusha, which means whatever as I'm saying, which my name is more blessing, then when we choose Christ, most of the thing, let me put it this way,